those people like him.
Yeah, exactly. No way to take it in a positive way. It was positive vibes. Okay, some more positive vibes here. Natasha is bringing us some sweet rays from Lincoln City.
Look at this. It was bright. I swear it was brighter about 5 minutes ago. In fact, if you go on Twitter, you'll find the pictures that I posted right here from Lincoln City. Sun, of course, going down, but look at that. Trying to say goodbye, all. See you later. See you next time. When is that next time? When will we see the sun again? Well, it's always there, of course, but the rain will be covering it up tomorrow. It's 50 right now, Lincoln City. Wind out of the southeast at 7 miles per hour. Let's talk about your ski report. Nice view from the top of the blue chair over at Mount Hood Meadows. Look at all that snow. So this is what we're working with so far. A base of 102 inches at Timberline. Meadows base, 87 inches. Ski Bowl, you have 45 and 73 inches for you over at Bachelor. So we're going to be seeing more snow. Of course, we're getting rain in the valley. Snow for the mountains. We expect to see some snow accumulations over those mountain passes. So this time period takes you from late tonight through. Most of the snow is going to be falling in the first half of the day. So that'll be the most difficult driving if you're thinking about heading up there tomorrow morning. So anywhere from 1 to 3 inches here along our mountain passes. We could see some totals closer to about 3 to 4 inches as soon as you round the corner over to Highway 35. Heading over to Mount Hood Meadows or Timberline, we're expecting 6 to 12 inches as a possibility in that 24-hour time period. Current conditions look like this here. Nice view of Mount Hood. It's 51 for us in Portland. This temperature right here puts us 6 degrees above normal for this time of year. Your temperatures rolling in through this evening will be in the mid-40s by the time we get to 8 o'clock, still mostly cloudy skies. Here's our next front on the way. We should see some of those showers showing up at the coast here as soon as we get closer to about 9 or 10 o'clock tonight. Let's zoom in a little bit closer and show you how things are shaping up so far. Again, some high-level clouds passing over us right now ahead of this next front. Behind the front, we're going to watch this closely because we'll have a lot of cold air right behind it. And that means we could run into some instability, perhaps right around those late morning hours for you, so be aware of that. How much rain are we going to see tomorrow? We might be able to pick up about 1/4 of an inch in the valley, but let's add on our totals to include Sunday's totals. Now we're anywhere from 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch for you in the valley, closer to about 1 inch for you over at the coast. How about timing? So tonight you're still dry up until the point we get closer to about midnight, 1, 2 o'clock in the morning. We'll start to see that rain show up for you. We're still dealing with an offshore flow. Winds still gusty at times through the gorge. Those winds will eventually die down late tonight with the approach of this front. Then we get to Friday afternoon. Friday afternoon, notice a few isolated showers still popping up on the western slopes of the Cascades, and now you have snow moving over to eastern Oregon. But what does this mean? In the afternoon, we might be able to get enough of a break from that rain that you might get another glimmer of sunshine. And going into Saturday, here's what you need to know about Saturday. Saturday is dry, yes, but Saturday morning, the first half of the day, likely you're going to be dealing with the fog, especially south of Portland. You might, by late day Saturday, be able to get a glimpse of the sunshine momentarily before the next front shows up. That's Sunday morning. Early in the morning, more mountain snow right there for you, 5 o'clock in the morning on Sunday. So really your day to get up to the slopes would either be Saturday. Saturday is looking like the best day at this point. Going all the way through the next 7 days. The next chance we'll see a lot of sun, perhaps not until next Thursday.
Getting sun every once in a while keeps us going.
Yes.
Just hop from a few days to a few days to a few days. All right, coming up next on KOIN 6 News.